Yo, it's Lux from Server.pro and welcome to this tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to install the CrazyCraft 4 mod pack onto your Server.pro server. First of all, ensure that you use the Void launcher, which is the official launcher for the CrazyCraft 4 mod pack. Then go through the process and install the mod pack onto your PC. Then make sure it runs smoothly. I have already done this, and as you can see, the CrazyCraft mod pack is open for me to play. The link to the Void launcher, as well as all the other links, will be linked in the description. To get the mod pack working on your server, you will need to download the server pack from the official website. Again, it will be linked in the description. Once you've downloaded it, you're ready to upload it into your server. To upload and install the mod pack to your server, go to the Server.pro panel, then head over to the Reinstall tab and select the Forge server type. This can be any version you want, since we're going to be removing all the files anyway. Next, ensure that you remove all the previous files by selecting yes, then go ahead and press Reinstall. Wait for it to boot up completely and then finally stop your server. Make sure that your server is offline before you do the next step. Now go to your Files tab, select and delete all the server files that you have here, since we're going to be uploading our own ones. This is important as previous files can conflict with the new ones we're going to upload. Once they're all gone, press the upload button near the top right and upload the .zip file of the mod pack you downloaded earlier. Once you do that, select it and press the Unpack Archive button near the top right. This will unpack all the files into your server home directory. Now, go into the advanced setting and select the correct .jar file you want to run. It should be the Forge one right here. Another thing you might want to do is change the Java version to Java 8 hotspot. Save the changes and start your server. The initial boot up may take some time, so please be patient. Once you started your server, it will start generating all the necessary files. Like I mentioned previously, it can take some time. After it's fully started, go to your dashboard again and copy the hostname or the IP and paste it into the multiplayer section on your client. You should be able to log in without any issues, and as you can see, I have done this. Any issues that you have with the mod pack or any bugs you come across, please ensure that you get help from the official mod pack developers on their Discord server. Apart from that, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any tutorial suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.